guys, it's Nikki, creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to crochet this linked single crochet. It has a slightly different look than a normal single crochet, although it's pretty much made the same way, just with one slight modification. And that modification creates these diagonal lines you can see right here. So typically you don't see those, but if you're kind of tired of the look of a normal single crochet, you might want to try the linked single crochet. Also, I would like to inform you that I also have the linked half double crochet, as well as treble crochet already on my tutorial page on my website as well as my YouTube channel. So in case you're interested for the other versions of the linked stitches, go ahead and check those out. Just click the search bar and type it right in there. So this video is for the linked single crochet. So let me show you how to do that. You need a chain of any number pretty much, and once you have your chain you can get started right away. So the very first single crochet is going to be a normal single crochet, not a linked one. You're going to skip your very first chain and you insert your hook into the next and just create a single crochet. Now you're going to insert your hook into that last loop that you had on your hook when you created your single crochet. Just insert it. Now you insert your hook into the next chain like you normally would for a single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Now insert the hook again in that very last loop that you had on your hook. Insert again into the next chain, yarn over and pull through. Let me hold on for a sec right here. This is the loop that we're going to insert our chain, our hook into for the next stitch. This one right here. So yarn over and pull through. Now watch that loop. That's the loop I just pointed at. That's where you're going through. And now going to the next chain, pull up a loop. You always have 3 loops on your hook, unless it's the very first stitch. And now you're going to just keep on going and crocheting the linked single crochet. It is a very easy stitch. You just have to get used to, for this specific stitch, to insert your hook into that last loop first before you keep going. And then here in the very last one you do the same thing. Nothing changes. The only thing that's different is the very first stitch. Now we chain and turn, but before we turn, let me show you. This is the diagonal line that appears when you insert your hook into that very last loop that you have on your hook. Now we turn. We're going to crochet our normal single crochet in the very first stitch like we normally would. Normal single crochet. Make sure your tension is not too tight so you can insert your hook easily into that very last loop. And now we're going to do the linked single crochet again. Insert your hook in the last loop from the previous stitch, and now insert it into the next, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook and finish it up. It is very easy. It is a useful stitch. It creates a little bit more of a dense fabric than a normal single crochet would, and it gives it also a little bit of a different texture, which I really like. So for example, if you would like to create some bags or something that needs a denser fabric or material, you might want to think about using this stitch. And here you have that diagonal line again. So here's the other diagonal line that you have also on the opposite side. That's because we inserted our hook right there. So you have those diagonal lines going on in two different directions. So let me show you again on my big piece, because this way you would just continue on as big as you need the piece to be. So here on my big piece you can see that the diagonal lines kind of put it together right here. And you can also easily identify, let me use my hook so you can see it, you can easily identify two rows. So wherever you see these tiny gaps, that is kind of like the separation between two rows. So you have here one row, and then you have here one row. Okay, so this would be two rows right here, two rows right here, and so forth. So this is a beautiful stitch to crochet if you need different texture than a normal single crochet would create. I hope this video was helpful and you like it, then please go ahead and press that like button. And below is the comment section, so go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you're going to use the stitch for and whether or not this tutorial was helpful. And please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it, and therefore you will also be notified for a new video once I have one available. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.